Polaris Sportsman won't start refers to when the all-terrain vehicle's engine will not turn on or activate. A starting issue can have many problems. For example, the four-wheeler's engine turns over but fails to start. Or maybe the engine will not crank at all. Or maybe the engine fires up but dies shortly after. This video details what you should check if your Polaris Sportsman won't start. Now, if you plan to repair your own vehicle, make sure you download the factory repair manual. You can download the factory repair manual instantly at www.atvrepairmanual.com. The manual will cover everything mentioned here in an easy to understand step-by-step order. So when you get to atvrepairmanual.com, just click on where it says Repair Manual. Select your brand. Then the year and model ATV, and then just download the repair manual instantly. So if the engine turns over or cranks but fails to start up, check for one or more possible malfunctions. Number 1, no fuel. Number 2, dirt in fuel line or filter. Number 3, fuel will not pass through the fuel valve. Number 4, fuel pump inoperative or restricted. Number 5, tank vent plugged or pinched. Number 6, carb starter circuit plugged. Number 7, engine flooded. Number 8, low compression. Number 9, no spark or ignition component failure. Okay, so if the engine will not turn over at all, be sure to check for one or more possible malfunctions. Number 1, dead battery. Number 2, starter motor does not turn. Number 3, engine seized, rusted, or mechanical failure. And that's it. Be sure to use this troubleshooting guide if your Polaris Sportsman won't start. And if you are unsure of how to fix what we've covered, make sure you download the factory repair manual from atvrepairmanual.com. It will show you how to fix everything we covered.